Garage organization DIY ideas to help you get tidy. If you need to store long garden tools in the garage, it's nice to have the rakes and shovels on the wall and out of the way. You've probably seen some type of cartoon depicting someone stepping on the end of a shovel and the handle hitting them in the face, but this type of thing can really happen. Prevent it by installing a wall-anchored storage rack that uses inexpensive PVC pipe. The foundation of every organized garage is a good storage system. This usually involves some type of shelving unit. Instead of buying something ready-made and expensive, however, learn how to make shelves that are custom-fit to the space. If you are an avid gardener but don't have a potting shed, chances are you'll be doing a lot of potting in your garage. Create the space for storing your precious pots and tools and then give yourself a surface area to work. This table from Leah Griffith is an ideal solution. Need more room for hats, gloves, and book bags? You can transform some basic cabinetry into a custom mudroom for your garage for a lower cost than you might initially think. If you have enough open wall space, check out this reveal from the Kim 6 Fix for more details. The main takeaway here should be that your garage can function how you need it to function. If you don't have a car to store but work on creative endeavors at home, turn the space into a studio. Check out this full reveal for details on how you can transform your floors so they are more workspace friendly. When you first start organizing your garage, do a quick inventory and think about how you want the space to function. Is there a particular hobby or pastime that requires significant storage space? Carve out some room and build something for that purpose, such as this functional spray paint rack. Pegboard is a type of material that makes a lot of sense in a garage because it can be constantly reconfigured as you add and subtract items. Shelving can be repositioned and containers can be moved to different pegs. If your family participates in a lot of sports, you'll need to come up with a solution for all the excess balls. You could put a container on the ground, but floor space is prime real estate in a garage. Instead, hang a cage-like mechanism in which you can pile various types of balls. No garage DIY project is too small to complete when you are looking for a functional space. Everything down to the smallest nail should have a place. This project from Love Create Celebrate looks stylish and holds shop towels so they are always within reach and off of your work area. If you have an attached garage and no mudroom inside, create one on the wall next to the main entryway. Even though this design is minimal, it takes into account how the family uses the space and makes sure each member has a spot to store their items. Bikes can be awkward to store, so if you have more than one, consider creating a custom rack. This rack from Grey House Studio also doubles as a bench, making the design as functional as it is cool looking. Who doesn't like garage organization that is also aesthetically pleasing? The creatives over at A Beautiful Mess came up with a clever way to store basic garage necessities on the wall. Don't be afraid to use color when embarking on a DIY project, even if it means making a bold choice. If your garage doubles as a workshop, consider this DIY project from My Repurposed Life. The tool cart is large enough to hold your most used tools but narrow enough to easily stow away when not in use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.